Aduketaitina nesabu abu Kinton akwapna ko Japan ko Uganda Fukuzawa Hidemoto Kitegea koto masuban nwaja sengarenok lwa gelegela kolomuntos ko districta lwa Muria. Dr. Nick Okwi Apollo Kiton nwa ngaleu nges ediopet lwa ja subana no.
Now this project was awarded at 308 million. That was all inclusive of the administrative costs and also the procurement of the beds and mattresses that I mentioned about. In summary, it is 3 rooms. There is a children's ward of 6 beds. There's a male ward of 6 beds, and there's also a female ward of 6 beds.
Liliane yal aradisi na Muria nyesabu kisialamiki akwapna ko Japan kano idichane lwa jokan ka Uganda.
Your Excellency, you are aware that Japan and Uganda's relationship is very cordial.
Moses Emabu Apolne districta lwa Muria nges abalebe ejasi districta da kaina peta nwaigang adekisina orungo.
Also need to have this maternity upgraded and we need to refurbish it so that it accommodates quite a number of patients, our women that come to deliver there. Those are our future plans.
Aduketaitina nes enyamarit imilionin akwatauni ido Fukuzawa Hidemoto loebu ikit akwapna ko Japan ko Uganda nges abu kilipengar nonelo adekis aidar aduketaitina ejo.
Concentrate in the maintenance of your facilities. Okay, you can see if we see that it's well maintained, I'll be very, very happy.
Mereibore alakanar abu odoi kitungalu orungo.
Dodole mga balabelo maralo mamdonga jenbe ponyo berebe Etegear ponalo. Buslo la parana na depart.
E polonge yala mana depart lele badis doso ne bale ko dayala ma buanga rega tawda.
E polonge yala manoi akotongo ingaruno ko kata ngun yatakse lobbying anaya untunga aganga kini so kada dekisi norungo.
Adekisi na orungo nes ijana kini itungalo edolete ilukumintom na kanyangon kolomuntos korungo town council etemo rungo ogongora keja itemwani chieda. Kanuka TV East Patrick Eteu kwa Muria.